Why the garment business? Actually, I was not training my eyes on this sector as I was on a mission to look for capital to implement some business idea I had. I had earlier acquired a valid driving license, and using that, I secured a job as a bus driver at Trendy Links Limited, a garments making factory in Nakuru. This is where my interest in tailoring started. I took that opportunity to learn one or two things about it. I also applied the entrepreneurship skills learned alongside civil engineering to solve some of the problems in the factory, and eventually I was promoted to head of sales and marketing. I also got another job as a project manager at Kitui County Textiles Center, Kiketek. Did you raise enough capital? Yes. The startup capital was 500,000 shillings. I was in employment for 2 years and used my savings to source for knitting and industrial sewing machines. I then trained some youth and started a mass production workshop at Miley Sita in Nakuru known as Menengai Knitters Enterprises. I also got a 200 shillings bank loan. I also have to say that my former employer supported me fully. How? She was supportive of my business journey. In fact, I set up my business while still in employment. She would give us materials and knitting yarns on credit which we would pay later. I dare say she challenged me to actualize my dreams. She assisted me a lot when starting out, and we still work together when opportunities present themselves. Who are your clients? We do mass production of garments. We make and brand school uniforms, staff uniforms, personal protective equipment, PPE, t-shirts, reflector jackets, caps, and so on. Our clients are government and non-governmental organizations, the county government, schools, banking and microfinance, mining, hotels, and hospitality sector. Do you remember your first client? The first deal that I made a tangible profit was with Rohi Girls High School in Nakuru. I approached the director, and although she doubted my capability to supply the whole school with school uniforms, she tried us, and to date she is one of our biggest clients. The deal made around 150,000 shillings profit after subtracting expenses. Are there cartels that control the school uniform sector? Yes. This is one of the challenges in uniform business. You can stock a certain uniform with the aim of selling to a given school, stitch the school logo only for the school head, working with the cartels to change the look of the logo and direct parents to specific shops to source uniforms from. That way, you are left with your now stale stock with the old school logo. How do you market the business? We have different marketing strategies which include social media platforms and on-point sales, though most of our clients are referrals from those who have interacted with us before. Is Mitamba business a threat? Mitamba serves a different market segment and has no effect on the business since we specialize in uniforms, and it is rare to find uniforms in Mitamba bales. However, in Buy Kenya Build Kenya, emphasis should be placed in manufacturing rather than in importation of second-hand clothes in order to create employment opportunities and build the economy. If you got a great job in engineering now, would you quit business?